Welcome everyone to episode number 17 of the PowerPlatform Digital series. This week we are talking about a session called London Heathrow and their story of PowerApps and PowerApps Flow adoption at Heathrow Airport. And since it is the month of December, it's a time of celebration for us in Canada, and we're celebrating customer success on the Digital series. With me this week, I have a very special guest, Saini from London Heathrow Airport, who you might have seen in some of the other videos that we made available. Samit, welcome, and please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Samit. I work for London Heathrow Airport, and I am the IT adoption specialist, and I'm in the office in London.
Great, thanks, Samit. And Nelson, over to you.
Hey everyone, great to be with you today. I'm dialing in from Allendale Beach, Florida, which is about 30 minutes from north of Miami. My name is Nelson Lopez, and I'm the Partner Technology Architect for Dynamics 365 CRM for Microsoft Canada. So it's great to be here, and Samit, I'm a big fan of your videos, and it's great to meet you in person. I've been going through a number of labs of PowerApps myself, and one of the key things of learning anything is to practice. And in the case of creating an app, the practice involves recognizing the need for certain patterns of functionality and how to develop them. I was wondering if you could talk a little bit about the process of your learning and the practices of you building apps and how you went through that.
Yeah, I get this question asked a lot because we've got people in Heathrow who want to learn about PowerApps and want to start developing apps themselves. So I just tell them that, look, there's so much YouTube videos out there from Shane, Audrey, Brian Dang. We've got so many talented people out there who are producing amazing videos that can give you a step-by-step guide of how to create an app. And that's exactly what I did. I used the blogs that PowerApps introduced, which have a step-by-step guide of how to create these apps. And they're amazing. And like I said, if I can do it, then anybody can do it, because I don't have much of a degree or anything in IT. But because the information's out there, it's great to learn and practice these apps. For example, we have got so many PowerApps samples that they give you the opportunity to edit them and break it down, so you can know which formulas are for which, But the great thing is, I use a lot of YouTube videos and I use a lot of blogs to learn every single day. And I've picked each of those videos to say, oh wow, I can use this into my app, or I learned something new and I can put this into another app, and so on. And that's what advice I give to other people and say, look, information's out there. You just need to reach out. I reached out to people as well to learn something I didn't know, and I use things like LinkedIn to find out if I'm stuck at something. It's there, and that's the kind of practice I do. It's been great, so thank you.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
Awesome. So thanks to me, and guys, so please go and watch the full session. The link is right below this post. Thanks for watching, and until the next episode, see you then.
Bye-bye.